elderly gift ideas. Coming up with elderly gift ideas isn't as hard as you think. Sometimes buying gifts for older individuals gets frustrating because we tend to think that by now older folks have everything they need. And while it's true that they probably don't need any more socks or handkerchiefs, coming up with elderly gift ideas is easy if you're willing to put some thought into the process. Consider the recipient. Just like any other gifts you purchase, thinking about the recipient really is key to coming up with elderly gift ideas that are unique and that will be appreciated. So start by considering the person's age and gender. Right there, you've narrowed your choices considerably. Next on the list to consider is how the individual likes to spend his or her time. Is she always tinkering around in the garden? Is he always up at the crack of dawn playing golf? Is the person always on the go, or does the person spend a lot of time at home, or does life consist of a little bit of both? Are suitable gift ideas coming to mind yet? If not, then take some time to consider more about the person's lifestyle. For example, if that person's always on the go, does he or she travel, volunteer, dance, spend time with family, walk, bike, or all of the above? If the person spends a lot of time at home, what does he or she do to keep busy while there? Bake, watch television, read, figure out puzzles, play computer games? If you have to take notes, then go right ahead. Do whatever it takes to get your mind thinking about suitable gift ideas for the elderly. Use the internet. Once you've sized up the person, the perfect gift might immediately pop into your mind. If so, then all you've got left to do is get the gift, wrap it and deliver it. But if you're still having trouble coming up with elderly gift ideas, consider turning to the internet for help. Start by firing up your search engine and searching on the term elderly gift ideas. If that produces too many results, take the information you've gathered from the thinking process and narrow your search. For example, if the person you're buying a gift for is a golfer, type in golf gift ideas. Within seconds, you'll have before your eyes gifts that are obvious, but you'll also have many more that you probably never even considered, like a golf-themed gift basket, or all-inclusive golf travel package, or wacky golf ball sets that include balls that explode and golf balls that disappear into thin air after they're hit. This is just one of countless examples, but hopefully you're starting to get the point. So rather than thinking what your 72-year-old uncle could possibly still need, refocus your thinking on what activities your uncle enjoys. Before you know it, you'll be sharing your elderly gift ideas with other family members who also are struggling with what to get Uncle Billy for his 72nd birthday.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.